There are three sections of people that this video is for. One, you have an online skill, but you don't know how to monetize the skill. Two, you don't have an online skill, but you like to monetize the skill. Three, you have an online skill, but you don't know that you have it, but you are here and you like to monetize. This video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 ways to monetize your passion and skills online. This took me a while to figure this out for myself, and I would love to share this with you if you are currently in the show. So we already know a lot of people have been trying to either they want side income or they are tired of their 9 to 5, or they just want to be on their own, do their own thing without anybody ordering them around. So if you're in this shoe, this video is for you. I have categorized this video into three. There are three sections of people that this video is for. One, you have an online skill, but you don't know how to monetize the skill. Two, you don't have an online skill, but you like to monetize the skill. Three, you have an online skill, but you don't know that you have it, but you are here and you like to monetize. This video is for you. You're welcome. My name is Choma Evo, and I'm going to be taking you through this process of monetizing your skill. I can't wait to see you earning in dollars or in any currency you would love to learn. Number one is that before you even get started, I would like to look within. There is so much within you that you don't even know you have. And this is for people that they don't know that they have an online skill, or they don't know they have a skill they would like to monetize. So first thing I would just like you to do, just sit down. It's not a boring thing to do. Just sit down and do an inventory of what you currently have, the skills you currently have. Everybody do it, whether you fall in these three categories. Still sit down and do an inventory. Take an inventory of the skills you currently have. Look at it. Which of these skills can I monetize? Which of the skills are relevant? Or which skills are my friend telling me, oh, you are good at this? I remember then they will say, okay, Choma, you are somebody that easily picks things up. When I do one thing, I know that, oh, I really do it so well. There's some people that have multiple passions that they can do so many things. Like they are really good at doing so many things at the same time. But let's pick them down to three. Take inventory of your skill. Just give me like 3 skills, even if you don't have three and just one. Now sit down. How relevant is that skill? Don't think it's not relevant though. Don't think it's not really. It is. So look at it. How relevant is that skill? Just take an inventory. If you've done that, good. That's the first step. Next is that how can I, okay, or what social media platform can I put it out there? You know what I'm talking about for social media, because that is the shortest way to get to the faces of people without begging for space, if you understand what that means. Because if you go to any other platform, you have to either register somewhere, pay for somebody to do this or do that. But you don't need anybody. Just go on social media, open any of the social media pages you feel it will work, and boom, you're already on the faces of people. Thousands of people are watching you. And even if they don't comment, people are still watching you, trust me. So look at it. This particular skill I have, what social media platform would it profit or is profitable for this kind of my business? You know, if you're not in the content creation industry where you have to talk, or if your business is not related to talking, YouTube might not be for you, because YouTube has to do with video making and things like that. Look at it. If your skill is writing, you have to look at platform that can push out your writing. X, Facebook, and some other platform out there. And if you know you're in the photography industry, let's say Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, sometimes you can collate some of your videos together and all. And if you know you are like a professional person, admin person, what can work? LinkedIn. Look at LinkedIn. Mine is I just look for a platform that can push you to the global audience you want. You know, we are talking about making money, making not any of your local currency. We want to push it out there to make huge money out there. So after you found this, you found a skill and you're already there. Now is how we can package what you have. Right? But let's stop there. I'm here to just tell you 7 skills you can monetize. I'm still going to help you. If you've done or if you've gone through any of those inventory and you don't still have any skill, I'm here for you. Number one is sell courses. Sell courses. Trust me. Look within. Let's say okay, maybe you are like in the admin space and you've been an HR for a while. Why not sell a course on HR, how to overcome or how to, sorry, I don't know HR language. I'm sorry. Maybe let's say how to handle the capacity of whatever. Or let's just say how to, what is this HR term? HR. I don't know if I'll call this part, but let me just frame. Let's say how to recruit for a company with over 7,000, or how to recruit for a company that needs 7,000 employees, something like that. But just if you are in that space, you can sell a course. Trust me, people need that what you have. So don't tell me you don't have anything. Number two is to sell digital products like ebooks. I don't know if I should use HR again. So no, let me not use HR. Let me use somebody like is a caterer. Maybe you're into baking and all. You can sell a digital product. Step by step, how to bake 3 tiers cake. Step by step, how to bake um, wedding cakes. Step by step, or where to source for ingredients online, wherever. That's it. That can work. So number next you have to do is teaching. Teaching is still one of the oldest occupation that will never fade. Because what I'm doing is literally teaching. What anybody will tell you, any course you buy, any product is to teach you, is to educate you, is to make you learn and unlearn. Do you understand what I'm saying? So teaching, what can you teach? Look within you. You can even teach people how to speak language. That's what I do currently. I teach people how to speak French. So if you like to learn French, kindly enroll for my course. It's a 3 month course and it's for beginners. And trust me, when they were teaching us French in school, a lot of people were like, "Oh, this is a very boring course. I don't like it." But nah, 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 nah. I'm gonna take it step by step on learning French in a sweet, fun way. And trust me, the class is awesome. My students are really enjoying the class. So if you would like to enroll for the class, please do well to use the link in the description box below to enroll for the class. You can sell physical products. I just released a video here where I talked about products you can sell, physical products you can sell. You just need to supply it to supermarket. So if you think that is a thing you can do, please do well to watch this video on how to supply products in supermarkets for them. So you can supply books to supermarket to sell. You can supply anything that can be bought in supermarket. So do well to watch that video. You also do consultancy business. You built a level where you have audience and you are a master in something, you can consult for that. Affiliate marketing. You know, when you look at some people's channel or video, when they're talking about something, say, okay, use this link below to buy this, purchase my gear, purchase this I bought, this particular book I bought. You can buy it from this SC store. You can use my link below. It doesn't affect your price. What you just need to do is use the link and get. I'm just advertising for that. That's not for me, though. So you can also become an affiliate marketer. You can sell courses. You can sell courses for people. For example, as affiliate marketer, like as I'm teaching French, you can help me also advertise and you have your own commission in as much people that either buy my course or enroll for my program. This last one is one I'm so passionate about. Solve your own problem and sell the solution to people. That's beautiful, right? Look within you. First of all, you might be going through some things, some challenges right now where you feel like, oh, I need to sort this thing out, and it's kind of stressing you. In the process of you solving that problem, there might be tons of people that are also going through that challenge right now that need that service and they are stranded. In the process of you solving that problem, you can also push it out as a solution to people after you've solved your own problem. Let me give an example. For example, let's say you are having difficulty with starting your own business, right? And you've tried, done feasibility study, done market survey, enrolled for this course, bought this professional program, went for business consultation and the like. And you went through all those processes and still you did not find any solution. Most likely whether you went through your own step and figured some things out. Why not solve the problem, you solved your own problem. With that experience, you can also sell out that solution to other people and make money. You know, money is a give and take. You can't make money without giving something. So when you have this mindset of, oh, I want to make money, but I don't want to give out anything, or I just want money to come without making ends as I'm simple, that doesn't work. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please do also like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Over.